Adam here from Vintique Motors. We're going to take you guys on a quick driving POV. This 2001 Dodge Viper ACR, 8,024 miles is the current odometer. I bought this car, oh gosh, 3-4 years ago for my personal collection. And I bought it with 6,600 miles. Here local, a guy in Michigan. And it's a car I always wanted it. I wanted a Gen 2 ACR. Finally found the right one for me, and I'm offering it now out of my personal collection to one of you lucky BAT members. So we'll go for a quick drive in it. So it's still on the original tires. The rears are date code 99. Fronts are date code 2000. One of 38 in yellow with no stripes for the 2001 model year. 89 in total were built in yellow with no stripes. So it's a very, very rare paint hue on the ACR. ACRs in general are rare. They made 959 Gen 2 ACRs, but only 89 of them were in yellow with no stripes. Just had a full service done to it. I've ceramic coated it about 2 years ago. Did a full paint correction. Didn't really need much of a paint correction, but we did a light paint correction. I put it polish, ceramic coating. And in the summer of 2019, it was invited and shown at the Concours d'Elegance of America in Plymouth, Michigan, in the modern collectibles class. Although it didn't place for an award, that went to a 1992 Vector W8. How could you blame the judges for that, right? But overall, just a good car. You know, so I've driven it 1,400 miles or so over the last 4 years. I wish I would have drove it a little more, but that's the way it goes. Everything works. No systems are in op. Just a really, really nice example. Probably one of the best ACRs that's going to be on the market here. In true ACR fashion, it's a pretty rough ride. Adjustable suspension. They were designed as track toys. And also having original tires, probably doesn't help the ride quality. But being such a original, unmolested example, and always kept as a collector piece in collections, I found it appropriate to leave the original tires on it. So if the next owner decides they want to drive it, some new tires should be in order. Tons of torque. I mean, we just went from about 30 to 80 without much effort, probably 2/3 of a pedal. And this one does have the 5-point racing harnesses. They're the originals to the car. Everything is actually original to the car other than consumables and the battery, and I just replaced the rear glass struts, so those are brand new. I don't know what else to say other than it's just one of the best examples out there. there you have it, guys.